Hey YouTube, ID.Furkan here, and today we are going to check out the difference between climate control, but air conditioning on and off. I made a route, the Amsterdam Ring test route. We'll explain in another video how that is, etc. But for this test, this is the route. I will lap it twice, and each lap is around 32 kilometers. So for each try I will drive 64 kilometers with AC and without AC. The only difference I'm going to make is with AC off, I'm going to close the sunshade because it's getting extremely hot in the car because of the panorama, and I'm going to try it to survive 64 kilometers. So why is this important? Currently my car is running, and let's see, my car is running and AC is on, and my current consumption is 1000 kilowatts. It was just 2 some moments ago, maybe it's ramping up right now, but when I started this car 6 months ago, it was using 3 kilowatts when standing still. It's still not the 8 kilowatts or 9 kilowatt we saw in the winter for heating the battery up, but 2-3 kilowatts for AC for the interior is also huge. Yeah, think about spending 1.5 kilowatt hour energy in an hour, kilowatt hour, and that's a huge percentage. Look, we are climbing up. So let's do this test, and let's start. First 2 laps will be with AC on and sunshade open, and the second test I will count it down, and then we will do the climate control, air conditioning off. So let's go. We are driving on the highway in a ring in Amsterdam A10 West, A10 West, west side. Driving 85 currently, on GPS is that around 82 or something like that. And let's start the round here. And of course we are driving with AC on comfort, nothing special, and yeah, I'm driving on 21-inch Nordic wheels, and nothing more actually. It's just the car, me, and the AC on, and of course sun blinds are on. Well, there was not a traffic jam at all. So maybe it's some here and there, a bit slow down, but as you can see, if, in our average, which is 99 kilometers per hour, it's all right, it's fine, you know. But we did this round 64 kilometers, 63, 64, 39 minutes with an average of 98, and our consumption is 160 watt-hour per kilometer. So for the second run, we are closing the sunroof, sunshade. It's going slowly. I will just stop it right here because it's my GoPro, and let's see. That is perfectly fine. So here we go. So let's the countdown start. First, I'm disabling AC. This may off. It's off. AC is off. And then we have there 32.8, 32.9, 33, 1. That's our starting point for this test, this round. AC is off, sunshade is closed as much as possible, and let's do this. I think we will have, well, what we had last time, 160 watt-hour per kilometer. I think we will drop 5 watt-hours, so 155 is our number. 155. I really hope the difference isn't that big, so people can just use air conditioning as they like. Alright, something to confess. Damn, we are halfway of the first lap. We didn't even pass the 80 kilometers per hour part, but our consumption is currently 152. That's almost a reduction of 10 watt-hour per kilometer. That is huge, and that is only because we are not running air conditioning on. Climate control is on, but AC is off. Just for your info, it's not totally off. It's just blowing wind. I would say it's not cold, but it's a bit of a breeze, cold breeze. So. Oh, we dropped to 150. Amazing. Damn. So that means with current temperature and let's say a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, you can run 500 kilometers. 500 is possible. Easy at 100. Damn. Didn't expect that. And with AC on, it will be around 475, something like that. But this is a clear 500 kilometer consumption. Damn. So the last kilometer, and then we will wrap this test up, and then I have some calculations to do then. 32.6, 32.7, 32.8, 32.9, and 1 right here, and 63. Yes, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 meters difference. When we hit the 1, our consumption was 152 watt-hour per kilometer. Well, consumption figure, but I would say that's a lie, because the car gets even better when it's warmer outside, consumption wise. So the values I saw currently, I didn't see with around 15 and 16 degrees. Then it's a bit too cold. The battery is just too cold. If I look currently now to my batteries, it's even before when I started. I just checked out. It was 23, 24 degrees. And you don't need to put any energy anymore in the car, in the battery, so it doesn't lose battery capacity, battery power, battery percentage, battery power.